Start out with the face frame down and apply a bead of glue into the dovetail groove. Slide the left and right cabinet walls into the vertical grooves. Don't forget to wipe away any excess glue. Slide the floorboard into the grooves on the wall. Make sure the floorboard notch fits into the groove on the face frame. Locate the small and large toe kicks. Slide them into place using the dovetail. The large toe kick should be placed at the front of the cabinet and the small toe kick should be placed at the back. Now place one metal clip at each corner of the cabinet underneath the floorboard. These will be used to join the toe kicks to the sides of the cabinet. Set your cabinet upright and slide the back wall into place using the grooves. Make sure it fits into the groove on the floorboard as well. Now you want to place a corner bracket in each corner of the top of the cabinet. Make sure they are near the top of the cabinet. These will join the face frame and the back wall together with the side walls of your cabinet. Place the door face down and set each hinge into place, making sure the holes on the hinge line up with the holes on the door. Fasten them down with 2 screws each. Then place a rubber bumper on each corner of the door opposite your hinges. Now place your door with attached hinges to the inside lip of the face frame and attach them to the cabinet using pre-existing dimples on the face frame.